Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies in pan easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F in grease, an 8x 8-inch pan, melt butter and chocolate together, whisk in sugar and eggs until smooth, then fold in flour and cocoa. Pour batter evenly, bake 25 to 30 minutes, and test with a toothpick for moist crumbs. Avoid overbaking to keep them fudgy. Let cool fully for cleaner slices. Use high-quality chocolate and unsalted butter for deeper flavor, and measure flour by spooning it into the cup and leveling. Use room-temperature eggs to ensure smooth batter, and do not overmix after adding flour to keep brownies tender. For variety, fold in nuts, swirl peanut butter, or add espresso powder for richer taste, and always cool in pan before cutting for neat squares. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, featuring voice control and smart mapping for hands-free floors. It saves time so you can bake more and worry less. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. An 8x 8-inch pan yields thicker brownies that need 25 to 30-minute bake times at 350 degrees F, while a 9x 13 pan bakes faster for 20 to 25 minutes. Look for set edges and a slightly soft center. A toothpick with moist crumbs indicates fudgy brownies, while a clean toothpick means cakier texture. Avoid opening the oven often to keep temperature stable and produce even rise. Let the brownies rest in pan for at least 15 minutes to finish cooking gently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.